Hello friends, this is Satyav. Welcome to my channel. I live in a small town called Koshu. I am a computer teacher and I am here to help you with computer applications as well as computer science for ICSE and ISC students.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the part 5 of pattern program. This is going to be the last part of the pattern program where we are going to discuss the box pattern. We will be discussing the box pattern with the help of the output being I, J or others. This is the most easiest pattern of all the patterns we have learned till now. So let's start. Before starting off with the programs, let's discuss some techniques how to solve the pattern program which is in the shape of a box. So over here basically we have got two types of pattern. If you look at it, you know the display is going to be J because the numbers are changing. So for a J, this will be the pattern. And over here the numbers are same, so this will become I. So how to set the starting point of J and I? First let's discuss that. So the starting point of J will be placed over here with the help of a rectangular box. So starting point of J will be 1 and ending point of J will be 4, 4, 4, 4, that means N. So this is how we place starting and ending point of J in a box pattern. Now moving on to I. The starting point of I is going to be placed this way in a rectangular box. So over here we have 1, 1, 1, 1. So it is placed this way. Now the ending point of I will be set over here, that is 4, 4, 4, 4. So this will be N. So this is how we set the starting and ending point of J as well as starting point and ending point of I. Now how to make the loop? As I have already discussed in the previous part, you know that the loop I will either start from 1 to N and end at N, and either it will start from N to 1. One good thing about the box pattern over here is the J loop is also going to follow the same rule. So J loop will also be 1 to N, N to 1. So over here we have got only two options. So this makes things very simple. And the display remains in the same position, and we have got system.out.println also in the same position. So the structure remains the same. Only difference is now the J loop will also be starting from 1 ending at N, or starting at N and ending at 1. So let's start with the first program. The first program over here, if you just have a look, if you look at it row wise, you can see that the numbers are changing. So the first thing we know, the display over here is going to be J. So system.out.print will write J. So we are going to focus on the J. So we know how to set the starting point. So this will be the starting point. All 1 means J equals to 1. And the ending point over here, is all 4, 4. So that means N. So 1 and N, we know the relation. 1 is less than equals to N. From smaller number to bigger number, you have to write plus. Now, the I loop can be filled over here very easily. Either we can use 1 to N or N to 1. So both the answers over here will be correct. So that is one good thing about the box pattern. So we can either use 1 to N or N to 1 because the display over here is J. So the I loop doesn't affect the display. So over here I am using I equals to 1 and I is less than equals to N. From smaller number to greater number, we can just write I plus. So this is how we solve this program. The second pattern over here, quite similar to the first one because the numbers are changing. So we know the display again over here will be J. So what we do, we place J over here. And then we find out the starting point of J. So the starting point of J will be 4, 4, 4, 4 means J will be equals to N. And the ending point of J will be all 1 means the ending point of J is 1. And we know the relation N is greater than equals to 1. And from a bigger number you are going to a smaller number, so J will be minus. Again the same rule applies to the I loop. Either you can use 1 to N or N to 1. So I will be using over here I equals to 1 and I am going to use N as the ending point. So this will be 1 is less than equals to N and I plus. So you can see over here the programs are very simple because we are supposed to concentrate only on one loop. The third program over here, a little bit different because we can see the numbers are not changing. So we now know that the display is going to be I. So over here we have got display as I. So what we do, we place I over here and we know now the focus has to be in the I loop. So what we do now is we set the starting point of I. So starting point of I over here is going to be 1 as all the numbers are 1. Now the ending point of I we are going to set like this, and the ending point of I is 4, 4, 4, 4, which means n. So we are going to place n over here. Now 1 is less than equals to n, and we know from a smaller number to bigger number, when we go, we change the value, we increment it, and it becomes I plus plus. Now like the last program, similarly over here the J loop can be filled 1 to n or n to 1 because the display is I. So J doesn't affect. So we can use any over here. So that is again one easy thing over here. So what we'll do is we'll just set J equals to 1 and ending point will set as n. So 1 is less than equals to n and J plus plus. So this is how we solve the pattern program where the display is I. Now the fourth program today, very similar to the third one. So what I want you all to do is, I want you all to do this yourself first. So just pause the video for a moment and do this program in the copy, and then we will try to check whether the program matches with the one I have done. So if you have done that correctly, that means you have understood the pattern program related to the box style. Okay, so continuing over here, we know the numbers are same, so the display is going to be I. So we write I over here. I hope you have done that correctly. Now as we know, the display I means we are supposed to frame the starting point. So the box over here for the starting point, I hope you all have also made the box. This is very important. If you want to get the program correct, make the rectangular box. So we know the starting point is all 4, that means I equals to n. And the ending point, again we have to make a rectangular box, all 1 over here means 1. So I hope you have placed n and 1 in that manner. If you have not done, I think you have to review the video again. You have to watch it again and then you have to understand it. Now, n and 1, the relation between n and 1 is n is greater than equals to 1. From a bigger number, you are going to a smaller number. So this will be I minus minus. Now, if you look at the J loop, there are 2 ways to do it. So what I will do is, I'll write the first one and just above that I'll write the second one also. Because as I've asked you to do the program, you may have followed any of the methods. So the first method, what we can do over here is J equals to 1 and we can place n over here, and 1 is less than equals to n. And as we know, from 1 to n the numbers will increase, so J plus plus. So those of you who have done this way, the program is correct. And some of you maybe you followed the other way, that will also be correct. So I'll just write above this. Suppose you wrote J equals to n and you wrote J is greater than equals to 1, and then you wrote J minus minus. Now over here J minus minus is very important because from a bigger number you are moving to a smaller number. So those of you who have followed this one, this will also be correct, and those of you who followed this one, this is also going to be correct. So both the answers over here will be correct because it will not affect the output. So this is how we solve the fourth program. Now the last pattern over here, if you can see, we have got all asterisks. So that means the display will neither be I or J, it will be others. That means the display will be asterisks. So for this kind of program, what we are supposed to do, we are going to discuss. Before that, if you have noticed, most of the programs have taken the value of n as 4. Maybe some of you thought that the value of n will always be 4, but that is not true. So over here I have taken a pattern where the number of line over here is 5. So the value of n also has to be 5. So depending on the pattern, the value of n has to be changed. Now moving on, whenever there is something like others to be displayed, the value, the loop I and j can be either 1 to n, n to 1, both is going to be correct. So that makes the program very easy. So first display will be asterisk inside double quotes. I have already explained that because it's not a variable, that's why we are putting it inside the double quotes. Now I and j we can write from 1 till n. We already know this. 1 is less than equals to n and value is I plus plus. And j also we can take it as from 1 to n, and we can increment. So over here, the loop can be either 1 to n, or if you want to do n to 1, both will be correct. So this is how we do the pattern program, box pattern program, where the display will be something others. With this, we come to the end of all the pattern programs. If you have any doubts, queries regarding any of the pattern program, you can just mention your doubts in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And as you all know, that the programs done over here is not complete. So if you want to download the complete program, you can just check the link given below in the description and you can download the program. Very soon, I'll be posting some new videos related to some other topics. Now, some of you, if you want me to make a video on any topic, you can mention that in the comment section and I'll try to do that as well. So till then, stay tuned, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Accidental Teacher. Now for any reason, if you have to go outside, please don't forget to put this on.